Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add another Telegram account. So first of all, make sure you will just download this application Telegram on your mobile device. So I will just launch it and make sure you will have logged in with your phone number. And for add an another account for this, I will be just move in the right bottom corner is setting options as well. As you can see, there is the option is the top right corner is the edit, and our example I will just tab on it as well, and in the last you will see add another account. So you can just connect your multiple accounts with different phone numbers, make sure that, and I will just tab on it. So from here you will just add your mobile number new, or you can also sync contacts. So in this way you will just have to add another account on Telegram. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.